So far, in 2009, over 7.6 million people touched by cancer have sadly passed away. This has strongly linked cancer with death. Along with this, the Chinese symbol for cancer looks remarkably like a skull. Throughout Asia, this symbol causes fear amongst the people who see it. The truth is, statistics have shown it isn't really that scary. When someone is touched by cancer, as long as they approach it in a positive manner, there is a 60% chance of beating it. Our aim was to raise awareness and change people's perceptions and attitudes towards cancer. All they need is CancerFund's professional information and counselling service. Cancer shouldn't mean death, it should mean to live. We created a campaign with a brand new execution. By using the strokes from the Chinese symbol for cancer, we could easily change their positions to create a whole new word, live. If it was in English, it'd be like changing the word cancer to hope. This gives out the message that even if you are touched by cancer, if you change your perspective, you can face it positively with more hope to rebuild your life. Our campaign was spread throughout the city using various media. We first introduced our campaign at CancerFund's annual dinner. Advertising spots appeared on Hong Kong's most popular TV channels. A series of printouts were placed in popular magazines and newspapers along with outdoor advertising. To help carry the campaign even further, we developed a direct mailer. We also produced a mini website to strengthen the overall concept with more interaction. On the website, people could create their own icons and write some inspirational messages to cheer up those touched by cancer. Take a look at my creation. Our idea also appeared on Facebook as an application so the whole world could join in to help cheer up cancer patients. The media's attention was aroused and they developed related programs.
以前睇到呢啲廣告，我都會好想幫忙呢啲癌症病患者。
Many personal blogs expressed their point of view towards this campaign. It was all positive. This campaign has been more than just producing a series of adverts. This campaign has created more hope.